আসসালামু আলাইকুম সুপ্রিয় চিকিৎসক বৃন্দ এবং মেডিকেল শিক্ষার্থী বৃন্দ, আশা করি আপনারা সকলেই ভালো আছেন। আজকে আপনাদের মাঝখানে অসাধারণ একটি সেশন নিয়ে আমরা হাজির হয়েছি। আজকের অসাধারণ একটি সেশন, অসাধারণ মেন্টর আমাদের সবার শ্রদ্ধেয় কাউসার আহমেদ ভাই, রাজশাহী মেডিকেল কলেজে। তো চলুন তাহলে আমরা আর দেরি না করে আমাদের সেশনটি শুরু করে দেই। এবং আপনাদের যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থেকে থাকে ওইটি রিলেটেড, তো আশা করি আপনারা আপনাদের কোশ্চেনটি আমাদেরকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে করতে পারেন, কিংবা আমাদের অনুষ্ঠান শেষেও আমাদেরকে জানিয়ে দিতে পারেন। তো চলুন তাহলে দেরি না করি আমরা আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানটি শুরু করে দেই। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ সঙ্গে থাকার জন্য।
Okay, let's get started. Uh, Thank you everyone for joining with me. My name is Dr. Ahmed. I am currently working in the Dhaka Medical College Hospital. It's my honor and privilege to talk about OET with you. Though I am not getting how many candidates are hearing me, but I'll try my best to give you an overview about the OET. So let's get started. It would be very beneficial if it would be two-way communications. However, regarding OET, I would like to give you some overview here first, then I will talk you in detail if you have any queries. So OET is an international English language test that assesses the proficiency of healthcare professional seeking to register or practice in English speaking environment. What does that mean? It does mean if we would like to work with a country other than Bangladesh, where we have to speak with English with our patients, there are some needs or there are some requirements we have to pass country. Most of the country now accepts two English language tests. One is OET and one is the IELTS. I believe everybody knows about IELTS. However, today we are going to talk about the OET. OET is just like an IELTS. It has the same four subtests like listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But the grading system is somehow different. In case of IELTS, you'll find the grading system is like 5.5, 6.0, or 7.5, 8.09, etc. But in case of OET, you'll find the grading system is like A, B, C plus, C, etc. like that one. But what you need to know that OET test candidates from the following 12 health professionals. Among them, we doctors will participate in the medicine from the medicine specialty among these 12 health professionals. And for the doctors, we need at least B grade to achieve our or to secure our desired score. I think you all are getting me. So from this place, the summary talk is OET is similar to IELTS. It has four subtests: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And we are going to participate from the medicine specialty, and we have to secure at least B grade, which is equivalent to 7.5 of IELTS. Here, as it is going to be a brief discussion about OET, so I'd like to give you a very important website link, which is the official website link of OET, that is www.occupationalenglishTest.org. Here you will find all things you would like to know from OET. You will find here everything in pros and cons in details manner. So if you would like to explore more, I highly recommend before going to your registration for OET, go this website and multiple times, and you will find yourself about how many subtests is there, and in this subtest is there any subsection or not. You'll find in details. Though we are going to discuss you here some more, you will be some sort of clear from here too. So the first subtest is a listening subtest. Before going to that, I would like to there is separate subtest for each skill area. like the listening and reading subtests are designed to assess the ability to understand spoken and written English in context related to general health and medicine. It's a written language, so what does that mean? It does mean that in the listening subtest, you will hear some defined extracts, and from that, you have to put your answer in the answer section or the answer booklet, and that will be assessed in later. So what they will going to assess you, we'll discuss in the later part when we specifically discuss about this subtest. The writing and speaking subtests are specific to each profession. Uh, in the just one slide before, we have discussed that uh, from 12 specialties, they are going to take the OET. One of them is the medicine, and in that medicine particular part, writing and speaking subtest are professional specific. That does mean for the doctor, you're going to write something which is relevant to your doctor or health professional, and speaking, you will play some role that is related to your doctor's patient, like that one. I think you all are getting me. Uh, it would be more beneficial if you can interact with me. However, in a nutshell, the subtest is like that one. The listening subtest is 45 minutes. There will be 3 tests, and reading is 60 minutes. There will be 3 tests. Writing, there will be 1 test, and in the speaking, there will be 2 tests. Well, now we're going to dissect the listening subtest. The listening subtest consists of 3 parts. A total question will be 42 questions. How it is divided, we're going to talk about this one now. In part A assesses your ability to identify a specific information during a consultation. You will listen to 5-minute extract. Here, the listening is called the extract. 2 listening extract you will hear, and in the part B, you will hear 6 extract, and in the part C, you will hear 2 extract, which will take 5 minutes for each. So I think I have made myself clear to all you that what is the listening subtest. In the listening subtest, it is divided into 3 parts again. Part A, B, and C. In the part A section, you will hear 2 listening extract, part B 6, and part C 2 listening extract. So the burning question is from where you will practice your listening. That is the burning question. So here is the answer. In the YouTube channel, you'll find these 2 YouTube channel. They are running the listening subtest, OET listening test, and OET book by Maggie Ryan. I strongly recommend everyone to the second one, OET book by Maggie Ryan. This YouTube channel is far better than the OET listening test. If you do your practice from here, you will learn more concepts about your OET listening subtest, and then you will actually be more clear about the listening subtest. Before that, I'd like to tell you that this listening subtest is sometimes going to be very much difficult. Actually, it was very much difficult to me too. So how can we overcome this difficulty? I'm going to talk about this issue. Everyone will give you some sort of advice that you have to listen some podcast, health related issue, etc., etc. But the main important talk is you have to listen health related event or health related news or health related issues. This is far more better if you listen doctor's patient conversation in the setting of UK or Australia. That will be far more better. You will find some sort of conversation from the Channel 4 News. There are some health related news, so you may search from there, go to the YouTube and search the Channel 4 News and slash health related news. You will find some sort of listening here. And in the BBC, there are some sort of listening also. There are some YouTube content that is directly related to the healthcare event of the UK. And one of the popular podcast is Health Professional Radio. If anybody could listen this podcast, he will be or she will be more efficient in the listening within few days or few weeks, I believe. Uh, One of the more important thing I should talk, I believe, that is try to listen faster. That is mean if you listen faster than the normal speed of the audio, that will help you tremendously in your listening skill. So you will find there are options in the YouTube channel. You can uh, run that any content there 2x or 1x faster. Uh, if you can do that and try to listen that short of news in that way, that will give you an very much benefit to overcome if you have any listening difficulty. So I think you all are getting me, though I am feeling some sort of uh, difficulty that you are, I don't know how much are you getting from me. However, let's move on. The second subtest is the reading subtest. The reading subtest has three parts with total 42 questions. It is also designed in as it is also designed as like as the listening subtest. In the listening subtest, you will listen, and in the reading subtest, you will read. There is a basic difference. Almost all are same in here. Part A, part B, and C. I'm sorry that you will read here the part A. The part A section assess your ability to locate a specific information from four short text. In the previous one, in the part A, you will have two extract, and in case of your reading, you will read four extract or four short text. From there, you have to identify what they would like to ask you in that questions. Like there will be 20 questions where you have to match with from which text they give the short of information, or you have to do your sentence completion or short answer question like that. And the part B and C, part B is as like as the listening. There will be 6 short extract. After each extract, you have to answer each one, and then you will move to the part C. Okay, move on the next one. So many people ask about from where you have to practice your reading. While I did my practice, I find many more resources from where I should practice. But among them, I found myself Jason collection, which is a PDF file of the reading sample. That is an excellent collection. If anybody can do practice from there, each of the extract, I believe he or she will be enough confident to answer appropriately in the test day, because there are different extract, a lot of extract. Uh, so I highly recommend the Jason collection. Now, one question may be arise from where you will find this Jason collection. Well, uh, you can find this Jason collection from any OET group. I'd like to tell you that I am running an OET group too, that is OET Made Easy. In there, you'll also find Jason collection. If anybody can, anybody want to download from there, wants to download from there, you'll easily download that. So the third one is the writing subtest. The writing subtest is designed, it is a profession-specific writing. Mostly they will give you the referral letter. Sometimes they may give the discharge. So it is a 45-minute test, where 5 minutes is to read the case notes before going to writing. Then you will have 40 minutes to write that extract, whatever that is, the referral letter or discharge. Mostly they give the referral letter than the discharge. It is a long discussion how you may write this referral letter or discharge letter. You you will find in the OET group, define OET group 2, or you may email me or contact with me. I will provide you some standard letters that is called the A grade letter in my OET group, and every OET group I believe you will find that 50 OET writing test that is the 50 A grade letter. If you can explore that one, and if you do go through their page by page and want to know how they write the referral letter or the discharge letter, you'll find a way. However, if you find a difficulty, you may contact with me anytime. I'll be happy to correct with you. I'll be happy to correct you. So the next one is the speaking subtest. The speaking subtest is two profession specific role play. That does mean you have to talk with the examiner. In the examiner, and they call the interlocutor. You have to play two role play or two extra or two talk with your examiner or interlocutor that will be taken 20 minutes. However, I'm going to give you the details here. The two profession specific role play will be started one by one. But before going to that, you'll be checked. After that, they will ask you some warm-up questions. Then they will ask you, or they will go through your profession specific the role play card. They will give you the role play, and you will have 3 minutes to prepare you. Then you have to talk with the interlocutor for 5 minutes for each role play card. That is the overview of the OET, and I would like to talk about how they grade you. For doctors, we must to secure B grade, and for that reason, we have to secure 300 more than 350 numbers, 350 to 450. That is the B grade, and above that, that is the A grade. If we can secure the B grade, that is enough for any country. So, yep, this is the overall of the OET. Anybody would like to ask me anything? Or Tariq, তুমি কি আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
জি ভাই, ওকে, ক্লিয়ার।
So, is there any question from anyone? আমি আসলে বুঝতে পারতেছি না তোমাদের এখানে, কারণ আমি কারোর সাথে ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করতে পারতেছি না।
ভাই, কেউ যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন করে আপনি ফোন থেকে আপনার ইয়েতে দেখতে পারেন। হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা। So, okay, so maybe there is no question from here. তার আগে আমরা কি তাহলে মিটিংটা এন্ড করে দিব?
আমরা মোটামুটি শেষ করে দিতে পারি আর কি, আমাদের যেটা বলার ছিল।
Okay, thank you everyone to join with me. If you have any questions, you can ask me over the messenger or the email. I'll try my best to give you the answer in details. So thank you everyone. Thank you.